Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, what a great day. I've got Charanmeet Singh with me. A perfect 90 in speaking, 86 overall in his PTE exam, and 86 in reading as well. Congratulations, Charan. Very well done.
Thank you, sir.
I remember you used to practice a lot of reading in the lab sessions.
Yes.
You have practiced a lot of blanks, a lot of reorders. 86 in reading. Reading is one section. A lot of students out there are scared about. What do you think is important for reading, and what did you do in order to get this score in reading?
Yeah, for me, the reading was absolutely a difficult task as we compare to other tasks. But I would highly recommend you reading the prediction files before the actual exam. So I've got all my reorders from prediction. I was quite unsure about the reorders. But when I attempted the exam, all of the reorders were from the prediction file. And plus, I would highly recommend you to pay special attention to the blanks, because sometimes you estimated the guess would be like some other blank, or you got it wrong. So pay special attention to that as well.
So reading blanks and reorders.
Yes.
Guys, very important, as he has mentioned. You need to make sure you cover as many reorders you can, and especially a week before your exam, like he did, cover as much as of prediction files you can. Plus, don't just cram them, try to understand it. And reading, as he has pointed out, pay special attention to reading blanks and reading and writing blanks. Understand the logic and understand the working of grammatical rules, and it will be an easy task for you as well. Then you have taken a lot of mock tests.
Yep.
You have been to the exam room. How important is the combination of mock test and exam room?
Very important when you're preparing for your PTE, because you are doing good in the only practice, but once you go for the mock test, you really understand what you are lagging behind. So for example, I was lagging behind in listening blanks, so I got to know about in the mock test. So I would highly recommend going for a mock test as well.
Because mock test, when we do the mock test, we come to know what mistakes we'll make under time pressure. Because when you're just practicing, you're relaxed, you don't have any time pressure, you're doing one task, you're checking it, you're enjoying, and then you move on to the next one. But when you do the mock test, you go through the whole process, and then you come to know the real picture of what you'll do in time pressure, what you'll do when you have limited time, and what you're going to do when you're a bit nervous while taking the mock test. Charan, any final piece of advice for students out there struggling in any of the sections, especially speaking? You've got perfect 90 twice or thrice, I guess, in speaking.
Yeah.
What is important for speaking?
Speaking, I would say just practice a lot in speaking, especially in read alouds. They are first, when you try to attempt on your initial days, they can be seen very hard, but actually they are not really very hard once you start to know about them and get fluent in read alouds. So in describe images, I would say they are a really simple task. Just need to practice a lot more.
How long did you speak in describe image?
Roughly about, I would say, 10 to 15 seconds per describe image.
That's right. That's very important. You follow the right strategies. You don't really need to speak too much when it comes to your describe image, but you need to make sure in those 15 or 20 seconds you're providing enough content so you don't lose points in that particular part. Plus, read alouds can be difficult in the initial phase, but once you practice, once you go through it again and again, once you practice, you are going to be fine. Take some motivation, take some advice. As Charan has pointed out, do not take anything light, but make sure you practice. You take as many mock tests and then get the feedback as he did in the exam room. And a week or 10 days before your exam, make sure you don't sit in the main lab, you sit in the special exam room, so that you know what mistakes you're making, how to improve, and you can get special attention. All the best for your NAATI now. That's it from this video, guys. Make sure you keep on practicing. If he has done it, I have done it, you can do it as well. Just make sure you work hard, but in the right direction, and scores, you're going to get the scores at your first attempt. Thanks, guys.
Now crack your PTE sitting at your home. Language Academy brings to you the smartest AI-powered practice portal, with instant scores and feedback for all the tasks. Along with the practice questions, access free sectional and full mock tests, and get instant scorecard with in-depth feedback and analysis. For more hidden secrets, tips, strategies, and proven templates, click the link below and subscribe to our video course today.